Right, so today is May 28th, and today is the World Menstrual Hygiene Day. So, for those of you who don't know about it, Menstrual Hygiene Day is basically an initiative taken up by a German based NGO which highlights the importance of the menstrual cycle to people across the globe. So, my name is Satyam Mehta, and I study in Amity International School, Noida. I, along with three other team members of mine, started a social initiative known as Pravakriti. Pravakriti aimed at promoting menstrual health and hygiene, better menstrual health and hygiene management in females of all the sections of our society and of all the ages. So what we basically did was we conducted a lot of activities, over 100 activities in school, just to make school going children and other people aware about the beauty of menstruation and the fact that it should not be stigmatized. And we also went to a lot of government schools where we set up pad vending machines. We even set up pad vending machines in our own school and in government schools, where we also distributed pads, and we actually set out awareness campaigns in a lot of schools like these. So this video is not this video is not about me telling you about what menstruation is, because most of you know, a lot of you know about what menstruation is. But this is actually about the fact that why is menstruation stigmatized, and why are there so many taboos surrounding menstruation. So up until 2018, even I didn't know that there were so many taboos surrounding menstruation. Then when I actually researched about it, and when I actually got to know that there was such bad myths surrounding this topic, I really thought that I had to do something about it. And then I came up, and me and my team members and I came up with this topic, and we just we knew that we had to do something at that point. So now what I want is, I want to make people, especially boys, aware about this topic. So when we conducted activities in school, at first boys were really skeptical if they wanted to become volunteers or not. So in the starting, most of the volunteers we got were girls. But then a lot of boys signed up as well, and all the awkwardness was gone just within a month. I was even at the start of this topic, I was actually teased about doing such a topic by my own classmates. But after some time, everything got back to everything became normal, because even they understood that how stupid it was to stigmatize such a topic and tease someone about it, especially. So I wanted to request you guys about something. I want you guys to send me a video on my direct message of this account, a video or a photo of you holding a piece of paper, and you have to write something empowering about menstruation. And I'll just compile those videos and photos and put out a YouTube video. And I think I'm doing this because I want because after I complete after so we actually went to a competition for it, the Youth Part 2018 to 19, and bagged the first position. But after the competition got over, I was in my tuition and I was telling my teacher about it, and then this girl comes up to me and says, "Why are you talking about this in public? You shouldn't talk about this in public. You're a boy. Even girls are scared to talk about this in public, and you being a boy, you definitely shouldn't do that." So I was shocked by the fact that I was actually very surprised that, okay, we've just done it, we've just done something at the ground level, and we have to continue it more and more. So I think that once I make this YouTube video, then a lot of then it may create a lot of impact on people all across India and maybe across the globe, and it would just help people to understand the importance and the beauty of menstruation. Thank you.